Hello viewers, great to have you back in online classroom on lean manufacturing tools. Hope you have watched other videos as well. If not, subscribe to channel and enjoy learning. In this video, we will learn tool of continuous improvement, PDCA, plan, do, check, act. This tool has come from America, conceptualized by Walter E. Shewhart, also known for developing control chart as well. However, PDCA as lean tool was popularized by Dr. William Edward Deming. Owing to its originators, PDCA cycle is also known as Deming cycle, Deming wheel, Deming circle, and Shewhart cycle, and found application majorly in problem solving and process improvement. Coming to what is PDCA? It is an iterative four-step methodology to drive and control continuous improvement of processes and products. Learning how this works, this here is PDCA cycle. It starts with plan, which includes identifying problem statement or opportunity, building a team, assessing available resources, what is to be achieved, or measure of success. Also gathering a basic idea over what can be possible solutions to overcome problem. After gathering response to all these queries, plan is followed by do. Do includes actions. It is time to act over plan. Here, team should test the possible solution, ideally on a small scale, and measure the results of test. Team must be aware of some unpredictable problems here as a change is being initiated. Action should be performed in a controlled environment here so that they remain reversible in case of results coming unexpected. Do is followed by check, a feedback step. Results of test from do should be compared with expected goal to achieve in plan phase. It should be reviewed if plan is not achieved. Team should go back to do phase, reassess situation and perform alternative solution test. Root cause analysis for any gap should be performed if necessary. This feedback loop will continue till planned goal is achieved. Once planned goal is achieved, move to improve. Final step of cycle to make performed changes permanent in system and to raise standard baseline to next level. This cycle is then repeated again and again as part of continuous improvement culture. Absorbing the learning using an example, starting with plan, where opportunity is recognized and proposed change is planned. Taking an example of a company's customer complaint data for year 2018-19, Pareto chart was prepared and dimensional complaint was identified as major contributor. Company took a target to reduce customer complaint by 50%, and to achieve that, one of the team was assigned task to reduce dimensional complaints by 75%. Team performed a basic analysis and observed that 75% of dimensional complaints are associated to width small. Team targeted to bring it down to zero. They reviewed existing control available, which was 100% defect detection Pokayoke in process. In their basic assessment, they identified scope of improvement in form of poor rejection handling and inadequate Pokayoke operation logic in power failure case. With this, team forwarded to do phase of carrying out improvement activity, initiating small scale changes. In our existing situation, two actions were performed: locking rejection boxes and correcting power failure logic. In next step, check. Results of performed actions would be reviewed and analyzed for any gap present against goal. Monitoring complaint trend for next quarter resulted in one complaint, which is 55% reduction, but still goal is not achieved. Gap analysis was again performed and it was observed that Pokayoke had some effectiveness issues when it came to small size products. Team here is in do phase if you realize. Do and check loop should continue till set goal is achieved. Action was decided to upgrade Pokayoke technology to make it suitable equally for small size products. Result was again reviewed and this time there were zero complaints in next quarter, confirming achievement of set goal. With this, team moved forward to act, making change permanent. Here, team decided to lock all type of rejection boxes across company. Verification of all Pokayoke against power failures started. At all applicable sites, Pokayoke technology was upgraded. Finally, all learnings were recorded as case study. Coming now to benefits of PDCA or why it is such a popular lean tool are PDCA is an effective and rapid method for continuous improvement, just like Kaizen. PDCA provide as a standard method used and recognized globally. PDCA comes with built-in feedback checkpoint to ensure high success rate. Being planned rigorously, PDCA is renowned methodology for its cost-effective solution identification. PDCA is expandable and can be performed for any process or product across any form of industry. Lastly, this technique fosters teamwork culture. Hope you like the learning of PDCA concept. Subscribe to channel, like and share video and share your feedback in comment section. Stay connected for more such videos. Next lean tool will be root cause analysis. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.